4. Reason Muslim man marries a woman one. Wealth, marrying for financial security. A man might marry a woman for her wealth, hoping to benefit from her financial resources. Financial security and a comfortable lifestyle might be gained. This could lead to a lack of true emotional and spiritual connection. If the wealth is the main reason for marriage, the relationship might be superficial, and the partnership may lack the depth and trust that comes from shared values and faith. This might lead to dissatisfaction or even divorce if the wealth diminishes or if the expectations around it aren't met. Second, status. Marrying for social standing. A man might marry a woman because of her social status, which could include her family background, reputation, or societal position. A boost in social status, prestige, or a sense of belonging to a higher social class. Marrying for status may lead to a lack of true intimacy and connection. If the relationship is based on external factors, like reputation, it could suffer when those factors are no longer a priority, or if the status of either partner changes. There may be issues around pride, arrogance, or dissatisfaction in the long run. 3. Beauty. Marrying for physical attractiveness. The attraction and physical appeal may provide initial excitement or satisfaction. Physical beauty fades with time. If the marriage is solely based on appearance, the relationship may falter once physical attractiveness diminishes due to age or other factors. This could lead to discontent, as deeper emotional and spiritual bonds weren't developed. There's also the risk of superficiality in the relationship, lacking real substance. 4. Religious commitment. Marrying for faith and character. A man chooses to marry a woman because of her religious commitment and good character. Marrying for religious commitment leads to a solid foundation of trust, kindness, and mutual respect. Faith can guide both partners through challenges, helping them to be patient, loving, and understanding. It fosters a deeper connection, both emotionally and spiritually, and can create a harmonious family life based on shared values. While religion is the best foundation, it doesn't mean that the relationship will be free of challenges. Like any relationship, it requires effort, communication, and mutual respect. However, a relationship grounded in faith provides the tools to handle issues in a healthy, constructive way. In the Hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, advises us to prioritize religious commitment when choosing a spouse. This is because faith and shared values create a strong and lasting bond, which can withstand trials and grow over time. Marrying for wealth, status, or beauty can bring temporary satisfaction, but might lack the enduring strength and fulfillment that comes from a relationship based on mutual faith and piety. By choosing a partner who prioritizes religion, a person is more likely to find true happiness, peace, and success in their marriage, both in this world and in the hereafter.
حاشاه أن ترجع